5 legal money hacks you need to know. Struggling to build your savings? Automate it. Set up automatic transfers to a high yield savings account. Even a small amount quickly adds up over time. A set it and forget it system ensures your future self will thank you, and it doesn't take much effort to get started. Don't leave money on the table. Use tax-advantaged accounts like 401(k)s or IRAs. They not only reduce your taxable income but also help grow your wealth long-term. Bonus tip: check if your employer offers a 401(k) match. It's free money for your retirement. You don't have to be a Wall Street genius to invest. Start with low-cost index funds. They're simple, diversified, and often outperform pricier options. Just remember, consistent contributions over time beat trying to time the market. Let compound interest work its magic. Track your spending for a month, you'll be shocked. Subscriptions you don't use? Cancel them. Thousands spent eating out? Try meal prepping. Plugging these financial leaks is like giving yourself a raise without working harder. Every dollar saved is money back in your pocket. Credit isn't evil if you use it wisely. Build a strong credit score by paying off your balance on time, every time. Look into rewards cards to earn cash back or travel points for what you're already spending. Done right, credit can be your financial ally. Take these 5 legal money hacks and start transforming your finances today. Know someone who could use these tips? Share this video and hit follow for more strategies to master money and thrive in your career. Start winning with your wallet today.